Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video, I am going to share with you that why people judge others and why so many people are being judged. You know, it's a very common thing in people that if someone is doing something different, if someone is making mistake, if someone is doing something wrong, or whatever someone is doing, wrong or right, doesn't matter. Some of the people they judge, and some of the people they are being judged. Are you getting the point? I mean, some of the people they judge others, and how those people who are being judged, what is the comparison and what is the difference between these type of people? So let me tell you actually why so many people are being judged and why so many people judge others for their English, for their language, for their skin color, for their face structure, for their appearance, for their English accents, for their pronunciation, for their anything, right? Why people judge others? So if I talk about the people, so my friend, there are two types of people. Like, first, those who judge others, and second, those who are being judged by others, right? So if I talk about those who judge others, I mean, why they judge other people? Why? So listen to me carefully. You know what? The people who judge others, they have, most of the people, they have they don't have any type of problem, like that kind of problem, physical problem, and may Allah bless them, may God bless them, that they may not have that kind of problem in future also, because they don't consider about it. They don't, most of the people I'm talking about, not everyone, most of the people, they don't feel that yes, we got this, so we should be thankful, we should be grateful for this. No, they judge others that they have everything, they have see, they don't have any type of that kind of problem, like physical problem. They don't have any problem related to their face, they don't have any problem related to their physical appearance, they don't have any problem related to their accents, they don't have any problem related to their language, right? They don't have like that kind of problems. See, I know that so many people have many problems. I'm not saying that they don't have any problem. I am saying that they don't have that kind of physical problem. Like, if someone is speaking, so if he is okay or she is okay physically, and his voice is okay, his like face structure, everything is okay, so no one will judge, no one will try to judge him or her quickly, right? So this is what I want to say. So my friend, they people don't feel that yes, we are grateful. I mean, they should be grateful, they should be thankful, they should be happy that yes, we got this, so we should help other people. So no, instead of helping others, instead of being grateful, instead of being thankful, they criticize others, they make fun of others, they just comment on others. So my friend, it is not good. And if you are thinking that getting the ephemeral joy, getting the transient joy, you are having fun, so it is nothing like that. See, if you are making fun of anyone, so your fun is making someone's life great. And let me tell you how you are making someone's life great. You know what? When someone is criticized by other people, so he or she, whatever he or she cuts his or her connection from other people, and from so many people who criticize others, who criticize his or her, and he doesn't or she doesn't care about those people at all. Whatever they are talking, they don't care about it, okay? And then they start working upon their own self, they improve themselves, they start working upon themselves, and they achieve many things in life. And the people who criticize others, they will remain the same, they will keep criticizing others, keep talking about these kind of things, keep making stories of others. They will do only this type of things, okay? And most of the people, they don't achieve anything in their life because they already have everything, okay? They have everything like good, okay, everyone is just valuing them, everyone is talking to them politely, everyone is just complimenting them, so there is no need to do something big, right? But if a person who is being criticized by others, he or she will do something, he or she tries to do something, to achieve something, because he or she doesn't have that kind of things, okay, that you have. So they just they work upon their own self, okay? They don't have any other choice, most of the people. And some of the people there are, they don't even try to do something. I mean, they are being criticized, but still they are not doing something, they are not trying to do something, right? There are these type of people also, like these types of people are also existing, who are being criticized, but instead of doing something, still they are doing the same, still they are not doing something, still they are just not studying, not improving themselves, right? These types of people are also existing. So my friend, I just want to say one thing: if you are someone and being criticized by others, so don't feel fear, and don't think that you are wrong, don't think that you have less than others, don't think that you are less fortunate than others, okay? Instead of thinking this, think that you are chosen to do something, okay? You are chosen to do something great, okay? You have something like less, so it means that you may have something different inside you. If you are not good externally, so it means there will be something good internally, okay? Inside you there will be something good. So try to know that thing, try to just find that talent, try to find that that thing, what is uniqueness, what is specialities, what is the difference, okay? I mean, I just want to say one thing, that if you are being criticized, so don't care about the people and just work upon yourself, and I know that my English is not good, I'm just improving my English language, and just whatever I'm thinking to speak, whatever I think to share with people, I'm just sharing, okay? And I know very well that I'm also being judged by so many people, and so many people have already swept my video because I'm not speaking good, and they have come here just to improve their English language. But don't worry, nowadays I'm improving, and the same people will come after some time when I will be speaking little bit fluently, and after some time I will be speaking like fluently, I know very well, because I am giving my best. So yeah, it is not a topic actually. Now let me tell you, actually, my friend, don't feel fear that if you are being criticized by others, okay? It is the tradition of the people, it's a common thing for the people. And just if you are thinking that I am being criticized by others, so I should not do this, I should not do that, so my friend, no, you are wrong. Just do whatever you are doing, and know yourself. Don't underestimate yourself, okay? Don't feel that I am less than others, I am I'm less knowledgeable. You may be less knowledgeable, you may be less talented, but there will be something inside you, that thing will be different, that thing will be unique, okay? And everyone is different, everyone is different in this world. So don't think that you are something like less than others, okay? There is always someone who is less fortunate than you, there is always someone who is less fortunate than you. So don't think that I'm not this, I'm not that, and instead of complaining these kind of things, you should work upon yourself, just try to improve yourself and keep doing, okay? Don't care about the people will talk about this kind of thing, they will keep speaking, okay? Unless you get that thing unless you achieve that thing. Getting the point? So my friend, just keep doing, keep working hard, keep learning whatever you are learning. If you are not getting fluency, if you are not achieving fluency, so don't worry about it, just keep doing. Right time will come, but don't think that when the right time will come, then you will start. There is nothing like that. Right time never comes. So my friend, start from today onwards. Okay, don't think that the right time will come, then I will start. Okay, and I know that I made so many mistakes while speaking, I think so sorry for that, and I am improving my English language, and after some time I will be speaking fluently. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.